Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with 1Password Passkeys setup detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up authentication with 1Password Passkeys, begin by downloading the 1Password application from their official website. Install the application on your device following the on-screen prompts. Once installed, open the 1Password app. If you already have an account, enter your email address and master password to log in. For new users, create an account by selecting the appropriate option and following the guided setup. Upon logging in, navigate to the security section in your account settings. Look for the Passkeys option. Select Add a Passkey to initiate the process. You will be prompted to choose the device you want to use for authentication. Follow the instructions to generate your passkey. Once generated, save your passkey securely within the 1Password vault. To use your passkey, go to the website or application that requires authentication. On the login page, select the option to sign in using your passkey. You may need to scan a QR code or enter a code provided on the website. Follow the prompts to complete the authentication process. Once authenticated, you can access your account seamlessly. Consider reviewing your security settings periodically to ensure everything is up to date. You have now successfully set up and authenticated using 1Password Passkeys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.